today we will start 9.8 Sum and Difference Formulas in Trigonometry. Okay, so let's start it. Sine of A plus B, cos A plus B, tangent of A plus B. In the case of sine A plus B, the formula will be open sine A cos B plus cos A sine B. For cos of A plus B, it will be cos A cos B minus. In the case of cos, if it is a plus, you have to choose minus. Sine A sine B. For tangent, it's tangent tan of A plus tan of B over 1 minus tan A times tan B. These are the formulas for addition. If we have to write the formulas for the difference, the same formulas change the signs. If it is a plus, you have to use plus. If it is a sine A minus B, choose minus. For cos A plus B, I have to choose minus, but if it is a minus, you have to choose plus here. Tan of A plus B, if it is a plus, these formulas will be used and these signs are there. But if you choose the negative, it will be tan A minus tan B over 1 plus tan A times tan B. Red colored signs are for the negative. If it is a red sign here, this right side show this particular red sign. Positive or negative accordingly. Okay. Let's do a question. It says find the exact value of tan 15. I can write 15 as a sum of two another angles or difference of two another angles. So we are using that. How to write 15? 15 can be written as a 45 minus 30. So I am using the formula of subtraction. Sine of 45 degree minus 30 degree. Use this formula. So sine 45 cos 30. Because it's negative, so you have to choose negative. Cos 45 sine of 30. Substitute the values. Sine 45 is a square root 2 by 2. It's a square root 3 by 2. Square root 2 by 2 and 1 by 2. You can write root 6 by 4 minus root 2 by 4. To more simplifying, it will give you root 6 minus root 2 over 4. Okay? Right. Now, C for tan. Tan of 7 pi by 12. How to break 12? So, 12 can be created like 6 and 4. Pi by 6 plus pi by 4. Will it give you? 6, 4. Common denominator is a 12. 6 2s are 12. 4 3s are 12. It's a 5 pi. But I want 12. I want 12. Okay. We can also use pi by 3 and 4. Pi by 3 plus pi by 4. If you take the common denominator, it's a 4 pi plus 3 pi. Yes, it works. 7 pi by 12. So 7 pi by 12 can be written as a pi by 3 plus pi by 4. You have to use a sum formula for tan. Tan of pi by 3 plus pi by 4. According to formula, tan of pi by 3 plus tan of pi by 4 over 1 minus tan of pi by 3 times tan of pi by 4. What is tan pi by 4? 1. Tan pi by 3? It's a root 3. Root 3 plus 1 over 1 minus square root 3. You can rationalize this. Or how? Just multiply 1 plus root 3 to divide by 1 plus root 3. It will give you 1 plus root 3 whole square over 1 minus 3. 1 minus 3 is negative 2. So negative 1 by 2, 1 plus square root 3 whole square. Okay. Next. Find cos of A minus B. You have to find cos A minus B. Cos A is provided when A is between pi to 3 pi by 2. That means it is in a third quadrant. In the third quadrant, sine is negative, cos is negative. Another, sine B, 5 by 13 with the B angle between 0 to pi by 2. Okay. What's the formula of cos A minus B? Cos A minus B is cos A cos B plus sin A sin B. Okay. We are provided by cos A as a negative 4 by 5. So it is this. Negative 4 is this. 5 is this. So you will see this is negative 3. So in that case, sine of theta, it is in the third quadrant. Sine theta in the third quadrant, angle is A, so use A, sine of A, negative 3 by 5. Another is a sine B, which is a 5 by 13. So it is a 5 over 13. 5 is this, 13 is the hypotenuse. What will be the adjacent? So it will be 12. You can use Pythagoras theorem to calculate. So sine is provided here. So what is cos? Cos of B is 12 by 30. Just substitute the values. Minus 4 by 5, 12 by 13 plus minus 3 by 5, 5 by 13. 12 fours are 48 and 13 fives are 65. 5 threes are 15, 13 fives are 65. You can add. It's negative 63 over 65 is the answer. Okay, so next. Simplify the expression cos x plus pi. It's a formula of cos A plus B. Cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. Cos x as it is. What is cos pi? Negative 1. Sin x as it is. What is sin pi? 0. So you are getting negative cos of x. Okay. Next. It says solve sin x plus pi by 3 plus sin x minus pi by 3. So I'm directly writing the values. What is the sin A plus B, sin A minus B for this corresponding A and B values. Sin A cos B plus cos A sin B plus sin A cos B minus cos A sin B. That is equals to 1. It says solve. Okay, let's see. Sin x as it is. What is the cos pi by 3? 1 by 2. What is the sin pi by 3? Square root 3 by 2. Cos pi by 3, 1 by 2. Sin pi by 3, square root 3 by 2. Cos x as it is. Equals to 1. Equals to 1. This term getting cancelled and this becomes 2 times 1 by 2 sin x equals to 1. 2 and 2 cancel, sin x equals to 1, and when your x is between 0 to 2 pi, when your sin gives you 1, Sine gives you 1 when x is pi by 2. So pi by 2 is the answer. Okay, so this was in 9.8. This was the last exercise. In the next video, we will do the review of chapter 9. Okay, I hope you understand. Thanks for watching.